This made much more sense than the countless videos I watched on the bridge of incidents. It made manifestation clearer for me, and I hope it helps you too. I read it somewhere, and I am sharing it with you all. An assumption creates a chain of events that ultimately leads to its realization. Preparing your place, Chapter 9 of The Power of Awareness, is one of my favorites. I was able to grasp what Neville said in this chapter logically, but it took me some time to really comprehend it. I didn't totally agree with this concept, especially when I was reacting so strongly to my 3D reality. This weekend, an incident with my SP occurred that I will not detail, since it is immaterial, but it wasn't until this situation occurred that I completely realized what Neville was talking about. When you make an assumption, a set of circumstances must occur in order for it to become a reality. People, events, and things must all move in order for the desire you live in to manifest in your 3D environment. Then, with an unstoppable forward momentum, you go through a succession of circumstances to the physical fulfillment of your wish that where you have been in conception, you will likewise be in flesh. That is why it is critical to disregard your 3D reality when it displays stuff that you do not want to hear or see. The more you respond, the stronger your desires become, and the less you trust who you are and how powerful your awareness truly is. I'm in the middle of my bridge, and it's such a great moment for me. I'm making the most of where I'm at by remembering who I am and diving inside. For a short period, I lost who I was and opted to neglect my own needs, turning my back on loving myself. Self-concept is fundamental, and I've decided that liking myself comes first. Transform your self-concept, and you will inevitably change the reality in which you reside. Do not attempt to change individuals. They are only messengers informing you of your true identity. They will validate the change if you revalue yourself. When things don't seem to be functioning, trust that they are. Believe that you are already living in the desired reality, and that everything you are experiencing is part of your bridge of incident. Repeat this last statement. It makes so much sense. Subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I will meet you tomorrow with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.